All right, I just gotta follow. Let's see if I can't get him. The fish are rising like crazy up there. Let's see if I can't get him. Let's clean up my hook. I actually got a follow on this all black. This all black panther martin. Got him! Got him! Yeah! I got him. A good old brown. All right. All right, guys. We finally got one. Finally got one. Nice. Let's let him go. So cool looking. That's a good sized fish. There he goes. Welcome back, everybody. We're here on the Provo River. We just caught our first brown. We caught it on the good old trusty Rapala. I don't know how many fish we're gonna catch today, but golly, that was quite exciting. I had a nice little fight with that nice brown. So, follow along with us. Hopefully it's not my last. All right, guys, I've got an idea. I only have like woolly boogers and stuff like that, so I'm sitting here underneath this tree looking up. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a lot of flies up there. I got my own little supply. I'm gonna go ahead and pull some of those out and see if I can't use some of those. Whoever lost them, I'm sorry, but thank you. Check it out, I got two nice flies. One looks like it has like a parachute. Sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and try these, and maybe we'll catch something. Let's see. I found another fly. So we're gonna try it. These fish might be a little too smart. They might see this line. It's 6-pound test line, so I don't know how well they'll go after it, but I'm not afraid to give it a try. Like, the fish are going crazy right here. It's like there's no reason why they shouldn't hit something. I mean, they're feeding, they're jumping up on top the dry fly. All right, let's see if we can't coax them in with this. All right, guys, I just got another big old rainbow, about 19.5 inch. Oh, let's let him go. That was awesome. I ended up putting back on the spinner and he annihilated it. It was awesome. Little panther martin again, silver blade, black body. Did the trick. So I just caught that 19.5 inch rainbow trout. He was a good fighter. He got me in the fast current and I was like holding on for dear life. That was pretty fun. So we're gonna throw this a little bit more and see if we can't catch anything more. All right, guys, we just got another one. Beautiful little brown. Let him go. We've actually caught a couple fish. I'm actually pretty happy about that. I was actually able to catch them on the Panther Martin again. We got a gold blade with the black body. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. I ended up doing all right. I ended up catching 3 fish. We got 2 browns and 1 nice big old rainbow. That was very unexpected. I appreciate you guys sticking around. I'm going home. With that being said, stay safe. We'll see you on the next one.